Uno no feel the heat. Me people. Uno no feel the heat. Uno no feel how time hot. Yeah man, you see in times like these, you don't want no sweet drinks, you know. You just need something to drink to quench your thirst. You know what I mean? So you see right about now, me dey go in a your little bush here. I go show you inside of the little bush here. Cause me know say about 2 lime tree inside here. And me need 2 lime. Cause me want make some sugar and water. I wonder if you know one name sugar and water. We call it beverage in Jamaica. Alright, my viewers, stick and stay and quench your thirst. Yes, my viewers, me know say somewhere over here, 2 lime tree they over here. It's been a while since me check them out. So this morning here now, I go check them out because guess what? The time is so hot and me need a little something to quench my thirst. Not anything too sweet, just something to brackish me throat. Cause you know that your throat get dry because the time is so hot. Alright, we know there is 2 lime tree over here. So I'm going to search. I'm going to hike through this bush here to see if I can find lime. Alright? The people. Wow, all rooster. Wow, that a go on. Alright, my viewers. Me find the first lime tree here. Yes, me find the first lime tree here. Me people, they all have bag for me. See that? Me carry me bag. Cause me know me have to find lime, don't it? A whole pa lime in there, my people. A whole pa. Hey, this lime fit in, my people. You see it small? It fit in. Yes, them full of juice. Tell me, I tell my people. Them small, but them full of juice. Yeah, man. Them full of juice, my people. Yeah, man, in the early morning, yeah. In the early morning, my people, me I look lime. Because me need some beverage. And me say me want some beverage. Them small, my people, but them full of juice. Yeah, man, them small, but them full of juice. Yeah, man. Me need some sugar and water with lime. Yes. Here in Jamaica, we call it beverage, the nicest drink. And my viewers, don't you know that the leaf from the lime tree is also nice to make drinks? Yes, the leaf from the lime tree is very nice to make drinks. Alright, listen now. Listen how you do it. You go on the lime tree and you search for the greenest leaf. Don't go to the leaf that look like these. Alright, you go to the leaf that look like these. And you pick them and you crush them. Yeah, you just crush them up fine. Just use your hand and crush them, or if you have a scissors can cut them, you cut them very small, drop them into the pan, throw some sugar into it, throw the water on it and sweeten it. It gives you a nice beautiful flavor, you won't believe it. This is what we use when we can't find any lime, the leaf from the lime tree. Alright, so yes, my viewers, so you hear it on Jamaican Farmers Hut. Me still searching me people, cause still searching me people. Still searching me people. The lime tree full of maca, and I have to be careful. Yeah, this one, this limb bare to the ground, but still have one lime. Alright, I'm going on to the other side because I see a big one around that side. Yes, my viewers, small as you see the lime is, it's full of juice. Yeah, this one here, full of juice. Yes, my people. So when I go pan the hustling, I now put 2 in my pocket. Yeah, because on the job, you know, when you're on the job and you sweat, tired and beat out, you just put a lime in your mouth. Yeah, man. Quench your thirst, save me and make you stop sweat. Yeah. Have to be careful of maca. The tree is full of maca. So right now, you can't climb a maca tree. You can't climb a lime tree. You will get too much jam. Alright, my viewers. The fine lime here, you know. Them small, you know, my people, but guess what? Them full of juice. Yeah, man, them full of juice, me I tell you. Lime them full of juice. Yeah? Them full of juice, my viewers. Yeah, man. Lime is here. Lime is here. Make some lemonade. Some beverage. Alright? Yeah, man. Me now ramp in my viewers. See there? In my bag, them I go. Alright, over that little piece of bush there is a tree over there. Yes, me kinda remember exactly which part the tree them there. So, make we go over there now, my people. Make we go over there. Yeah, man, make we go over there now, man. Make we go over there, my people. A bush we are walk through. Yeah, man, bush. I bought my water boat, you know. I bought my water boat, so you know that go. In the early morning, huh? You can step on any tree. Yes. Alright, out of one wilderness, one can walk here. Alright. This is a bigger pass here, my viewers. Bigger pass is here, my viewers. Oh, this place look like somebody town. Alright. Whoa, my viewers, this is the next lime tree here. My viewers, this is the next lime tree, my viewers. Whoa. Alright, this lime tree is kind of different now. These lime have to big for you to get some juice. Whoa. Whoa, whoa. I see two big one down here. Let me zoom in and show you, my viewers. Whoa. Yes, two big one is here. Alright, my viewers, that me I talk about. Whoa, yeah. Well, I guess I can pick this one. Yeah. I can pick this one, my viewers. Whoa, here is the next little one. Good, nice size one up here, my viewers. Yeah. If I don't do it like this, when I come back, everything is gone. Because someone else is gonna come and take everything. Everyone they find. Because at this time, it's very hard to find lime at this time. So I'm going to get those two under here. Whoa, me they do my camera my shit. Whoa, here I'm going to go now to get these one. Alright, my viewers. Hiking me the pan, so I have to take some. I have to go underneath some bush. Whoa, my viewers, look here. Look here, my viewers. Whoa, the glare of the sun is very strong here. The glare of the sun is very strong here, but look here. Lime is here. Yeah. So that means I'm gonna drink a lot of beverage. Don't it? Yeah. The boat files. Good morning. Yeah. Whoa. We already see the two big ones. Down here. Here again. Oh. Miss out on them. Yeah. So yes, my viewers, we get about a dozen. Yeah. After hiking to find lime, I find about a dozen. Whoa! Wow! Look at this, my viewers. Look at these, my viewers. Look at these here. These are limes, man. This is what I'm talking about. So I have to take time, come check this tree here, you know. Yeah. These trees here, I have to come and check them out. Whoa, my viewers. This is a bunch. Let me go on the other side. Yeah. I have to look for what's at the same time. This tree is spreading very widely, you know. Yeah, this lime tree is spreading very widely. Yeah, as you can see. Yeah, this is what nature does. Alright, my viewers. Alright, move away some limbs here. Look my viewers, beautiful, don't it? Yeah man, this is the nicest bunch I ever see since I'm here. Yeah man. Yes my viewers, don't forget it is Jamaican Farmers Hut. And I mean, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell because I'm picking lime here. Whoa, I bounced my camera. Alright, I'm gonna pick 2 out of this bunch here. Whoa, beautiful. This is a nice view. Whoa. Alright, I'm gonna pick 2 out of this bunch here. Yeah, that is one. The 2 biggest one. Yeah. I don't know if I should pick this one. Alright, I'm gonna leave this one for a couple weeks back before I come back and make a pick. Alright, my viewers and my subscribers. It's all about hiking for lime, and I find more than lime. Yeah, find piece of metal also. You know, lime alone, me search for my people. You know what is this? This is a piece of metal, but finding a piece of metal like this, I don't leave it. I carry it to my workshop. I do welding also, you know. Alright? Yep. So I can weld this on something. So yes, my people, there's a lot of chalk paths through here, my viewers. All these chalk paths made by pigs and dogs. You know what I mean? Yeah, so you can see the chalk paths, but there is no overhead way. So you have to make the overhead way. Alright, my viewers. Yeah. Beautiful view, don't it? Yeah man, in the early morning. Yeah. Still chatting through the bush, my people. Find me lime and thing, but still after there's a whole trailer here. Some old trailer here, them always have was on them. So you walk, you have to look. Alright. Here's a nice little spot here. This is where the pigs them come and hang out. Yeah, and the dogs them come and hang out, you know what I mean? Yeah man. So right now I try to bore through them little spots, see if I can find myself back home. Yeah. Never carry the machine so I can't chop anything. But I'm still looking for wasp, because wasp is all about on them place here. Yeah, so I have to look for wasp before I move because me is allergic to wasp and I don't want to get fat this morning. Look here. You see the chalk pass? Made by pig. Yeah, made by pigs. Alright. Yes, my viewers, this is awesome. This is awesome. This is awesome, my viewers. It's all about sugar and water. When I say sugar and water, I mean beverage. I don't know if you don't know one name beverage. But yes, my viewers, beverage, yeah, it's something that you mix water with sugar and squeeze the lime into it. Yes, in Jamaica we call it beverage, otherwise known as lemonade, sugar and water. See? So you heard it on Jamaican Farmers Hut. Alright, my people, stick and stay. I will leave more video they come out. See? Lime. Yes man, we go up on the lime hiking this morning. See? You go up on yourself. Yeah, my people, I go up on the lime tree this morning and I find one ripe lime. You never see a ripe lime like this yet? Tande de make them fool, you know. Tande de. Make him fool, you know. Yes, my viewers, this is a lime in my tea. Yeah man, this is a lime in my tea. You understand? So when I squeeze the lime, just drop the whole thing into the cup. Yeah. Yeah man. That is it. Yeah. In this tea, I have ginger, boiled ginger. Put a little honey inside it. Yeah. Yeah. And then squeeze a lime inside and drop the whole lime inside it. That is my tea. So yes, my viewers, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel Jamaican Farmers Hut. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. So my beautiful people, my name is Ever Slick if you're new here. And peace and good morning again. And I'm out.